yeah, we're talking about steamboats today. And the Lee Mills annual steamboat event was started in 1972 by David Thompson, and it has evolved into the largest and longest running steamboat event. So in 1972, when David Thompson started this, 4 steamboats showed up, which is not exactly the vision that he had, but he was determined and he stuck with it. And now about 50 boats show up. And these boats have been restored. They are new creations. They've been made by owners, operators, inventors, builders. People generally in that steam world love to tinker and create different kinds of steam engines, whether they're legacy engines or they've been updated. Just like this one right here. This is the 28-foot Carrie Jean from California. It was built about 1900, and its power plant is a steeple steam engine. Now, I did some research. This original steeple steam engine would not have fit in a boat. In fact, they were huge, which is how they got the name steeple, because people thought, they were about as tall as a church steeple. But they were modified for a marine engine, and the way it works is that the high pressure cylinder is on the same connecting rod as the low pressure cylinder. So after it powers the drive shaft, which turns the propeller, the steam goes into a condenser, which is behind the keel of the boat, and then it's cooled and turned back into water so that it can be reused again to make steam. Pretty ingenious. I actually think most of the steam engines that we cover are incredibly ingenious. We will try and find more interesting and unique things for you on Steam Culture. You stay tuned. See you next time.